Did you know that there's more to clove spice than just its delicious flavor? Clove is a powerful spice with a wide range of health and beauty benefits. In this video, I'm going to share with you the top 5 secret uses of clove spice that will leave you amazed. I shall speak to you from my extensive knowledge and experience regarding the many potential uses and health benefits of clove. Through years of research and practice, I have gained a profound appreciation for this remarkable spice and its application in alternative healing traditions. Now, let us begin. Improve sleep. Want to drift off to dreamland faster without medication? Try clove spice, nature's secret sleep weapon. Cloves contain a compound called eugenol that triggers your body's relaxation response and makes you sleepy. Simply inhaling the aroma of clove essential oil before bed can send you into a deep slumber within minutes. For best results, diffuse some clove oil in your room as you relax in bed. The soothing scent molecules will travel directly to parts of your brain that regulate sleep, putting you in a drowsy state almost instantly. You can also place a few drops of clove oil on your pillow or apply it topically to massage points on your head and feet. The effects are fast-acting, and within moments, you'll feel heaviness in your eyelids and a slowing of your thoughts. If you prefer a nightcap, brew yourself a cup of soothing clove tea. The antioxidants and phytochemicals in cloves, along with eugenol, work synergistically to calm your nervous system and prime your body for rest. So, the next time you have trouble dozing off, reach for a clove. Its natural sleep-inducing abilities have been proven again and again, all without the risk of side effects like many sleep medications. Let cloves be your secret weapon against sleepless nights. Reduce wrinkles. The phenol compound eugenol, found abundantly in clove oil, has been shown to boost collagen production in skin cells, and more collagen means firmer, plumper, younger-looking skin. By stimulating collagen synthesis within your skin tissue, clove oil can help eliminate fine lines and diminish the appearance of deeper wrinkles. Its rejuvenating effects have been proven again and again. Here's how to harness the wrinkle-fighting power of clove oil. Just add a few drops to your regular moisturizer and massage it into wrinkly areas for collagen-stimulating, tissue-repairing benefits that kick aging to the curb. For targeted treatment, apply straight clove oil polluted with a carrier oil directly onto lines and wrinkles, massaging in circular motions for up to 2 minutes before rinsing off. Joint pain relief. When massaged or applied topically to aching joints, clove oil is rapidly absorbed into the skin where it can combat inflammation at its source. Eugenol blocks enzymes that cause swelling while simultaneously providing pain-relieving effects. Apply a clove oil-soaked cloth, compress over the joint for 15 to 20 minutes. The heat and oil work synergistically to relax muscles and stimulate blood flow while fighting inflammation. With consistent use, clove oil's natural anti-inflammatories may relieve even chronic joint pain in a safe, effective manner. Best of all, there are no risky side effects. So give this age-old remedy a try. You just might discover the miraculous healing powers of this forgotten spice for yourself. Soothe a sore throat. Are you waking up with a scratchy, painful throat that just won't quit? Before you reach for medicine, try gargling with clove oil. It's nature's remedy for sore throats. Clove oil has powerful antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can provide quick relief from sore throat symptoms. The active ingredient, eugenol, helps fight off the bacteria and viruses that cause infections while also reducing swelling and irritation in your throat. Mix 2 to 3 drops of clove oil with 1/4 cup of warm water and gargle with the mixture for at least 30 seconds. The eugenol in clove oil will come in direct contact with your throat tissue, killing harmful microbes on contact and coating your throat to protect against further irritation. You can also mix 1 drop of clove oil with 1 teaspoon of honey and take it by mouth. The honey will coat and soothe your throat, while the cloves go to work fighting your infection from the inside. Fight respiratory infections. Imagine a tranquil evening, where the air is filled with the soothing scent of cloves. Little do you know that within those aromatic vapors lies a potent secret, a natural remedy that can combat respiratory infections and restore wellness with its incredible properties. Enter clove oil, a true hero in the battle against respiratory ailments. A few drops of clove oil in your diffuser is all it takes. The air becomes fortified, shielding you from respiratory threats. Cloves really are one of nature's great gifts for health. So go enjoy their benefits in your next meal or cup of tea. We'd love to hear about your experiences and the benefits you've noticed in the comments below. Happy cloving!